In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 6 products that can skyrocket your sales this March. And how do I know these products will boost your sales? Well, it's not because I have a crystal ball or anything like that. It's simply because I conducted a data-driven product research using Zik Analytics and based my decisions on market insights and not guesswork. Without further ado, let's just do this, all right? Let's just dive in right here, the first product in today's list. So the first product on today's list is perfect for the upcoming warmer season and a great find for early planners who want to upgrade their dog's summer experience.
It's the dog sprinkler pool.
So just look at this TikTok video here. Look at how much fun these dogs are having with this product. So it's such a simple yet brilliant device. And this kind of pure joy is exactly what makes a product like this go viral. And as I mentioned earlier, launching seasonal products in March is just a smart strategy because it allows you to target early buyers who want to be fully prepared for summer rather than just trying to compete when the market is already saturated. Now, I found a dropshipping store that's already selling this exact same product for 39 euros and 95 cents, which is around $41.50, okay? And as I scrolled down here to their store, I noticed something very interesting. They have done a great job presenting the product by using GIFs of happy dogs playing in the water. It's a simple touch, but these small details help boost conversion rates significantly. Let's just take a step further here. I'm going to use the store sales tracker from Zik Analytics to get some insights that Shopify does not openly share. So what I did is I just copied the URL of the store and then I pasted here, and I have all this information ready to be seen and to be studied and analyzed. And here's what I found. This product has been sold 64 times in the past 30 days. That's already like a solid number. Considering that we're just, heading into spring right now, sales are going to go up and up as the weather gets warmer. But now let's talk about something even more important. Profitability. Because having a trending product is great and everything, but it needs to be profitable to be worth selling, correct? So check this. I'm going to use the item finder tool, which will help me find the supplier options. So we just click here, wait a little bit, and look at that. Right away, I see plenty of exact matches. So let's just go with one of them. Let me open one here. Look at this one. This product costs only $17.81 plus 58 cents for shipping. And this is the exact same product and the exact size that is sold in the dropshipping store that we just reviewed before. So overall, this is a fantastic sourcing price and a product to source, really is. Now, let's just quickly run some numbers to understand this product's profitability to the dropshipping store that we reviewed. So basically, the dropshipping store is selling this product for $41.50, and after Shopify's transaction fees and everything, plus the product price from AliExpress, the seller is left with $19 profit per sale. And then we take that multiplied by 64 sales in 30 days. This means that the store has already made $1,216 in profit from this product alone, before ad costs and other operational expenses. And here's the best part. This is a seasonal product, so sales are just going to increase as we get closer to summer. That means the seller with the right marketing strategy could scale this product to even higher profits over the next few months. All right, now that we've covered the first product, let's move to the second one, okay? The next product is just a game changer for anyone looking for a powerful high-pressure cleaning solution because it basically transforms any regular water hose into a jet washer, giving you a car wash experience just like in premium car washes, okay?
It's the portable jet washer.
Check out this TikTok video right here. As you can see, you just simply connect the device to any standard water hose and just enjoy the power of high pressure water spray. It's just perfect for washing cars, outdoor area, outdoor like surfaces. I found this dropshipping store already selling this product, and the price for this product, which comes as a set with several accessories, including a lithium battery, is £49.95, which is around $63. Now, let's just analyze how well this product is performing. And then I did the same thing. I just copied the store's URL into the store sales tracker to get insights. And I have all this information right here. And I can see that this product was sold 78 times in the past 30 days, correct? That's a solid number, especially for a product priced over $60. Since I know it's selling well, the next step is to find the best supplier option. And using the item finder, I can source this exact product from AliExpress. Let's just go with one of them, like this one right here. And this product is a great match. The price is only $34.54 with free shipping. And it also comes as a set, including lithium battery and additional accessories, just making it a perfect product to source. So the total profit here per sale is $25.50. With 78 sales in the past 30 days, the store has made around $1,989 in profit before ad and operation expenses. My friends, that's nearly $2,000 in profit from a single product. And since this is a high ticket item, the margins are solid. Anyway, before I move to the next product, let me know what you think of the first two products on today's list, okay? And if you're enjoying this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future product research insights. If you want access to the same tools that I'm using in this video, you can just subscribe to Zik Analytics for just $1 for the first week. Moving to the next product, I think it's an essential gadget that can make driving safer, especially for older car models.
It's the solar tire pressure monitoring system.
Check out this TikTok video right here. So this is a solar wireless tire pressure monitoring system. It's just a small device with an important job. Basically, that's it, right? It tracks the car tire pressure in real time and displays the data on a solar powered monitor. Now, I found this dropshipping store that's already like selling this product. Check this out. They're selling it for £59.99, which is $75.50. And using the store sales tracker, I scanned this store and found that this product sold, look at this, 59 times in the past 30 days. And that's a solid number for a niche product like this, okay? Here comes the real test. Let's see if we can source this product at a good price that leaves a good profit margin. I'm just gonna click here in the item finder and look at that already. We have some really good exact matches. All right, let's just choose one of them, like this one right here, and look at that. This is the exact same product and the cost is only $34.44 with free shipping. And on top of that, I see that this product has great customer reviews, which is super important for any electronic or solar powered product. When sourcing items like this one, it's always best to choose AliExpress sellers with high ratings to reduce the chances of returns and customer complaints. Now that's out of our way, let's go to the fun part. Let's just break down the profitability of this product. So the dropshipping store is selling this product for $75.50. Shopify's transaction fees are 2.9% plus 30 cents, which comes down to $2.48 per sale. The AliExpress sourcing price, including shipping, is $34.44. This means that the total profit per sale is $38.58. With 59 sales in the past 30 days, the store has made around $2,276 in profit before ad and operation expenses. Now, if you have a general dropshipping store or a car accessories niche store, this product could be a great option to market to owners of older car models who want a simple and effective way to monitor their tire pressure and drive more safely. Okay, the next product is this fuzzy dog bed. It was a thing a few years ago, but it's definitely making a comeback lately. You can see this TikTok video right here, and you can understand why dog lovers just love it. Especially during March when temperatures, just fluctuate between cold and warm. Like this cozy bed helps keep dogs comfortable at a perfect temperature. And the same dropshipping store that I showed you earlier is selling this product in various colors and sizes. Look at this. The best part is that you don't need much to showcase this product in the best way. Just add some adorable dogs resting in the bed and any image will do the work for you. Trust me. It's one of those products that just sells itself to any dog owner. Now, I scanned this store again using the store sales tracker and I found that this product was sold 77 times in the past 30 days. That's a very good performance. Then I used the item finder to quickly source a matching product from AliExpress, and then I found this great option right here. Look at that. This product comes in multiple colors and sizes, just like the one in the dropshipping store, and the normal price is only $13.77. Now let's just compare pricing and profitability. The small size bed in the dropshipping store is selling for 37 euros and 95 cents, which is around $39.95, while the same size is available here on AliExpress for $13.77. That, my friends, leaves a huge profit margin per sale. After using the same calculations as before, we can see that the total profit per sale is $25.73. With 77 sales in the past month, the store has made around $1,904 in profit before ad and operation expenses. For anyone running a pet niche store or even a general dropshipping store, this is a high margin trending product that's easy to market, or you can see it's in demand right here. The next product I want to show you is an evergreen item, but it's especially great to sell in March because of unpredictable weather. Rain can just fall unexpectedly, and people need a reliable way to keep their laptops safe and dry. And that's where this 3-in-1 laptop backpack comes in. Let me show you this TikTok video, which is quite nice. It shows everything simple but effective. I really think this is the perfect solution for anyone looking to protect their laptop from unexpected rain while having, a versatile functional bag. And it looks quite nice, to be honest. I wouldn't say there's one specific model that you should focus on, but the key selling point here should always be waterproof material, because that makes it easier to market the product's benefits on social media. So I found this dropshipping store already selling this exact product right here. Look at that. And they're charging $63.99. And after scanning the store using Zik's store sales tracker, I found that this product sold 60 times in the past 30 days. Very solid performance. And since this product isn't like purely seasonal, it can maintain a consistent sales even after March. I searched this product on AliExpress and I found the same exact model priced only $39.37 with free shipping. What makes this backpack even more appealing for marketing is its multi-functionality, because it's not only waterproof, but it also converts into this like duffel bag and a carry bag. So that's a huge selling point because it adds extra values for buyers. If you market this product, simply just show how it protects against water damage while functioning as a versatile 3-in-1 travel bag. Using the same calculations as before, the profit per sale is $22.61. And it's not bad for a practical, high quality product that can continue selling steadily throughout the year, all right? Thank you so much for still being here. Let's go to the last product. It's absolutely my favorite product of the day. And honestly, I would never have known the product like this existed if I didn't conduct my product research using Zik Analytics. So this is the garment duffel bag. It's a must-have for anyone who wants to stay looking their best while on the go. Look at this video right here. As you can see, this bag keeps clothes perfectly stored and wrinkle free, making it just ideal for business travelers, important meetings or even casual trips where, you just want to look sharp without worrying about your outfits getting like all creased and stuff. Now, I found a Shopify Dropshipping store that's already selling this product, and they are pricing it at £83.98, okay, British pounds, which is around $106. And one thing that I've noticed about the store is that its design is just very simple. It doesn't seem like they invested in high-end design work. Everything looks like it was edited manually through just Shopify backend, right? Despite that, they're still making solid sales, providing that sometimes a simple store with the right product is all you need. Let's check out how many units they have sold using the store sales tracker. Look at that, 75 times in the past 30 days, which is impressive, right? Considering it's a high ticket item. priced over $100. Now, here is the exciting part. Using Zik's item finder, I was able to find the exact same product for a way lower price. This is the same exact product, and the normal price is only $37.52 with free shipping. It's incredible sourcing price because it leaves you a huge profit potential. The total profit per sale is $65.25, all right, before ad and operation expenses. Now, for a product like this with high perceived value and practical use, it's easy to see why the store is making strong sales without an overly fancy design, okay? And I'm getting excited here because if you're looking for a high margin in demand product, this is definitely a great one to consider adding to your store. All right, my friends, there you have it, the top 6 dropshipping products to sell in your store in March. As you can see, adding products based on data rather than just guesswork can make a huge difference and helps you boost your sales significantly. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, keep moving forward, and see you next time.